OpenAI's secret model Astra just cracked 10 math problems that had stumped humans for decades, and it reportedly cost only $2,000. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what it solved, why anyone can verify it themselves, and the controversy the hype is hiding. As an AI-powered channel, I analyzed 42 sources for this video, including OpenAI's official announcement, New Scientist, Quanta Magazine, Scientific American, Forbes, and direct statements from working mathematicians. No sponsors, no spin, just compiled facts and real expert opinions. On August 1st, 2026, an internal version of OpenAI's next major model, codenamed Astra, generated results, or major progress, on 10 long-standing open problems in mathematics and theoretical computer science. Many had been unsolved for at least a decade, and some for far longer. Just to be clear on how this worked, the model generated the mathematical arguments. Humans, with model assistance, prepared the manuscripts, and the model then produced the formal proofs. So this is collaboration and recombination, not a machine working entirely on its own. The headline result is a claimed first-ever explicit construction of a non-Sofic group. That's a central question in group theory that had been open since Mikhail Gromov introduced sophicity back in 1999. And here's an early caveat worth flagging. Group theorist Francesco Fornier-Facio at the University of Cambridge notes that this construction actually combines ideas from existing papers published in 2016 and 2019. So it's a clever recombination of prior human techniques, rather than something invented from nothing. But that's just the start. Astra also produced a claimed disproof of Conus's rigidity conjecture on von Neumann algebras, improved sphere-packing bounds that had stood since 1978, and made progress on 3 problems from Paul Erdős's famous catalog. The results span high-dimensional geometry, coding theory, quantum complexity, and extremal combinatorics. On that Conus result, I have to be careful, because its status is already contested. Within days of the announcement, a mathematician named Nielsen argued that the formalized groups don't actually satisfy the required conditions. Technically, the ICC and Kazdan's property T hypotheses, meaning the lean proof, may verify a formal statement that doesn't match the original conjecture. So as of now, many mathematicians consider the Kahn's rigidity conjecture to still be an open problem. Treat the disproof as a reported claim under active scrutiny, not settled fact. Here's the human-scale analogy that puts the overall effort in perspective. One senior mathematician might produce 1 landmark result per decade. Astra contributed to 10 at once, for a reported $2,000 in compute at Sol API rates. That's decades of elite mathematical work, for the price of a nice dinner for 2. Now, you might be thinking, why should we believe any of this? And this is the part that genuinely impressed me. Every single proof shipped as a machine-checkable Lean 4 certificate, published in a manuscript on GitHub. So any skeptic can inspect each result independently. Let me explain why that matters. Lean is a formal language where every logical step is checked by a computer. There's no room for hand-waving or hidden gaps. The published certificates compile cleanly, with a 0 count on unproven placeholder steps. Tens of thousands of lines of formal code that anyone can download and rerun. That means you don't have to take OpenAI's word for the formal logic. You can check it yourself. But there's a crucial limit here, and it cuts both ways. Verifying a lean proof confirms the formal steps are internally valid. It does not confirm the formal statement actually matches the original conjecture, which is exactly the loophole the Kahn's critique exposes. And because no outside party can run Astra itself, these results can only be checked, never independently reproduced from scratch. Here's where I have to be honest with you because the headlines skip this part. This is not AGI. Astra did not solve any of the Millennium Prize problems, and OpenAI's Noam Brown confirmed the model failed at other problems the team attempted. There's also important nuance from Abhishek Saha at Queen Mary University of London. He points out that several of these results cleverly recombine existing techniques rather than building vast new theory. Impressive, yes, but not always the deep original breakthrough the framing suggests. And then there's the ethics. The June 2026 Leiden Declaration, backed by the International Mathematical Union and over 3,000 signatories including Terence Tao and Peter Schulze, warns that AI firms are bypassing peer review and mishandling attribution. And that's the key catch here. None of these 10 results have passed journal peer review yet. That concern isn't hypothetical. According to Scientific American, mathematician Stephen Miller of Yeshiva University says, The sphere-packing proof reuses an argument from his own 2016 paper without credit, and he does not treat it as an oversight, describing it as pointing to research misconduct. OpenAI has since updated some of its original language to be more accurate, so the attribution questions are real, specific, and still unresolved. So what's the verdict? Based on everything I analyzed, this looks like a genuine phase shift in AI-assisted mathematics, driven by the combination of formal verification and multiple results at very low marginal cost. It follows the May 2026 Erdős unit distance disproof and Anthropic's July 2026 result on the Jacobian conjecture. Something real is happening here. Even a tough critic engaged seriously. Thomas Bloom, who publicly demolished OpenAI's 2025 overclaim, called these new results big news. But the peer review and attribution concerns are real and unresolved. At least one headline result is being actively challenged, and I'm not going to pretend otherwise. The open question is what happens when this capability ships publicly, possibly as GPT-5.7 or GPT-6. As always, I compiled this from 42 sources with no sponsors and no agenda, just the honest picture, hype and criticism included. If you want more no-hype breakdowns of the biggest AI breakthroughs, subscribe. It genuinely helps this new channel grow. Drop a comment and tell me, do you think AI-solved math should count without human peer review? Read every reply. And if the verifiable proof angle made you think, hit that like button before you go.